What if I told you making money no longer depends on your job, your location, or even your degree? Thanks to the internet, anyone, student, side hustler, or full-time dreamer can tap into global income streams. And the best part, some of them need almost zero investment to get started. Let's explore the best ways to earn money online and remotely. 1. Freelancing turns skills into global income. Freelancing is one of the easiest and most flexible ways to earn money online. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, video editor, web developer, or virtual assistant, there are clients all over the world looking for your services. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you directly with businesses and individuals in need of your expertise. This year, the global freelancing market remains a $1 trillion economy, with platforms facilitating this growth projected to reach $7.65 to $8.39 billion this year. This continued expansion is fueled by strong demand for specialized digital skills and the global shift towards flexible remote work. Hot tip: learn AI-related tasks like prompt writing or data labeling for higher pay. 2. E-commerce. Sell without owning a store. With e-commerce, you can sell physical or digital products worldwide, all without renting a shop. Models like dropshipping and print-on-demand eliminate inventory hassles, while digital products like eBooks, templates, and software offer passive income. Use platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or Amazon FBA to get started. The global e-commerce market is projected to be worth between $6.86 trillion and $8.3 trillion. This immense value highlights its significant and continued expansion, driven by widespread internet access, the convenience of online shopping, and the ongoing growth of mobile commerce. Low risk, high scale potential, perfect for creative entrepreneurs and side hustlers. 3. Content creation. Build and monetize your audience. If you love to share your thoughts, talents, or experiences, content creation is a powerful path. Start a YouTube channel, blog, or podcast and build an audience. Monetize through Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, or even digital product sales. The content creation market, or creator economy, is a significant and rapidly growing industry. Estimates vary, but it's broadly projected to be valued around $191.55 billion to $250 billion USD. This figure is expected to nearly double by 2027, driven by increasing digital consumption, the rise of AI-powered content tools, and the continued expansion of social commerce and influencer marketing. The secret? Be consistent, choose a niche, and offer real value to your audience. 4. Online teaching and coaching. Share what you know. Do you have skills in math, music, coding, marketing, or fitness? You can teach others online. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, and Skillshare let you create paid courses, while sites like Preply, Chegg, or Superprof offer live tutoring gigs. You don't need to be a certified teacher, just skilled, passionate, and willing to help. 5. Microtasks and side hustles. Quick and easy online income. If you're just starting out or need fast cash, microtask platforms pay users to complete small tasks, such as taking surveys, labeling images, or testing apps. While not huge moneymakers, they're a great entry point for beginners or students. 6. App and digital asset creation. Build once, earn for years. Turn your creativity or coding skills into long-term income by building apps, designing digital templates, or selling stock content. Once created, these assets can be sold repeatedly on platforms like Envato, Creative Market, Shutterstock, or Google Play Store. Ideal for designers, developers, photographers, and anyone who loves digital tools. 7. Crypto trading. Profit from digital market movements. Crypto trading has become a global phenomenon. Platforms like Binance, MEXC, and Coinbase allow you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. You can trade daily based on charts and patterns, or invest long-term in promising projects. Warning: crypto is volatile. Learn technical analysis, risk management, and don't invest more than you can afford to lose. And at the end of this video, I'm going to reveal the method that has the highest earning potential. 8 high-income digital skills. Learn and earn in the future economy. The digital world is evolving fast, and new skills are in high demand. If you want a long-term career or freelance edge, consider learning AI and machine learning. Build models, analyze data, or fine-tune generative AI tools. Cybersecurity. Help businesses protect their data in a world full of threats. Blockchain development. Create smart contracts and decentralized applications, or DApps. Pro tip: these skills take effort to learn, but can unlock 6-figure online careers. The world is full of opportunities. You just need to pick one and start. Whether it's freelancing, trading crypto, building an app, or launching a YouTube channel, the tools are available and the market is global. Take action, stay consistent, and you'll build a path to financial freedom. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more powerful content like this.